Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric. Today's impromptu video comes to you by a fellow YouTuber who asked me a question. Say, hey Eric, whenever I put my small outboard on reverse, the outboard lifts off the water. And I'm going to explain how to fix that. Let's get to it. Okay, so first I'm going to show you guys the mechanics of what we're talking about. Basically, your outboard, you should be able to lift it like so in order to put it down. But you see that level of tension that there is? Like, I'm able to lift it, but it doesn't drop on its own very easily. And that is because back here, let me go ahead and bring it down. There's this bolt that holds into the transom bracket. Now, on one side of the bolt, you guys gonna see a nut right here. I need to get you closer so you guys can see it. Okay, so right now, here is the transom bracket, and here is the nut itself. This is a 2018 Tohatsu 6 horsepower, and it uses a 13mm bolt. Basically, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. If I were to make it too tight, I wouldn't be able to lift it. I'll show you. So if I were to go ahead and tighten this bolt way too much, like I give it way too much tension, I wouldn't be able to lift it at all. See? Very difficult. Becomes too tight. The same thing applies if I were to make it too loose. If I were to make it too loose, this is what's going to happen. See? It moves too freely. You don't want that. Because the moment you put it on reverse, since the bolt and the nut are making no tension whatsoever, the bolt just gonna move about on its own free will. So you want to make sure you tighten out that bolt, and that should prevent your outboard from lifting off the water when you put it on reverse. And that is it, guys. That's actually how you tighten out the transom bracket bolt in order to prevent your outboard from going on reverse. I hope this answers the questions to my fellow YouTuber who asked me this, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.